Welcome back guys to my channel, and this is Gunblade channel. Today we were gonna unbox another metal Beyblade from Rapidity, and this is the Flash Sagittario. So before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. This is a bootleg Beyblade from Rapidity. So this is the Flash Sagittario, and the side and the other side. At the back, this is the combo. Okay. It has two modes: defense mode and attack mode. This is the bottom of the box. Nothing special. It's just the typical Rapidity box. So let's open it first. Comes with stickers, tool, the track, the bottom, and it has a extra track and bottom. The extra bottom is made from metal. So let's open it. So this is the sticker, as you can see. This is the tool, typical tool, and this is the extra. Oh, it falls. Where is it? Oh, anyways, this is that's the first one is the extra track. So this is the second one, and this is the legit track for this Beyblade. So the next one is the extra bottom or extra tip made from metal. Next is the original bottom or tip. So what else inside the box? So this is the clear wheel, face bolt, and the metal frame. So let's open it. Okay. This is the clear wheel, the face bolt. It is not tattooed face bolt. This is the metal frame. So this frame has two modes. This one is attack mode, and if you turn this side, this is the defense mode. Alright, okay, let's build it. Maybe I'll put it in attack mode. Alright, so it's more wider. Later I will put the stickers on it, so it's more good looking Beyblade. Right, it's already locked. So this is the flash Sagittario from Rapidity. I'll buy a Takara Tomy with this bay and compare it and show it to you guys. This is the bottom. The side, it's pretty tall. I think it has a same uh, truck and bottom from Duo Uranus. We will make a battle test on this bay. So I'll put some sticker on the Facebook. Alright. Alright. Okay. What do you think, guys? Comment down below. Okay. Alright, guys. If you want to buy a Takara Tomy Beyblade, I will put the link down below on my description on this video, so you can visit it. So there you have it, guys. This is the Flash Sagittario from Rapidity. It's a pretty good combo. This is the correct combo, and it's pretty heavy because it has two metal frame. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching, and before I leave, please like and subscribe to my channel. So this is Gunbait channel, and see you on my next video, guys. And shout out to Mr. Mark Erwin Bautista for having me this Beyblade. So thank you, sir, and thank you guys for supporting my channel, and see you on my next video, and stay safe.